Right. Hello, this is a ginger and treacle tray bake. The ingredients are 225 grams of baking margarine or unsalted butter, 175 grams of light brown muscovado sugar, 200 grams of black treacle, 300 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 4 medium eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 3 or 4 lumps of stem ginger drained and finely chopped. This is then all mixed in together, and some of these ingredients are much easier to weigh when you throw them straight in the bowl, like the black treacle. All mixed in together and combined. It's then placed into a lined greased tin of approximately 23 by 30 centimetres and at least 4 centimetres deep. This then goes into a preheated oven, 160 degrees C, gasmark 3, for 35 to 40 minutes. Just tap it on the top. You'll know if it bounces back fine that it's cooked. The icing is made from 75 grams of icing sugar, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup from the jar that you got your golden syrup out of. That's then all mixed together, and then you're adding 3 or 4 lumps of stem ginger, coarsely chopped, over the top, and then cut it.